Hey guys, Lauren here from the Sephora on Michigan Avenue in Chicago. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this warm winter eye look. To see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Alright you guys, so I've already completed my complexion as well as my brows. For this look, I'm going to be using Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start with Throwing Shade using brush number 27. I'm going to start blending this color into my crease. I have a lot of lid space, so to best complement my eye shape, I'm going to start working this color over and upward into my inner crease corner. I'm also working this shade softly into my brow. Doing this contours my eye and gives this look a little edge. I'm also softly blending this shade on the outer corner of my lid. On the opposite side, I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to work that color into the crease and up into the corner, sweeping it into my brow, and then I'm going to bring it around over onto my lid. Now I'm going to build up this eye look with the same shade, but instead of using a blending brush, I'm switching to brush number 13. I'm going to slowly build up this color on the outside and inside corner of my lid, leaving a small open space in the middle. So using this packing method, I like to lightly pick up the color and apply it, and then build as I go. If you start with too much, you can't take it away, so I would rather start with a smaller amount and add more. Going back in with my blending brush, I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly. We don't want any patches or streakiness with this look. So using brush number 27, I'm going to pick up a little more of Throwing Shade and sweep that all the way underneath my lash line and around up onto my outer corner. In the space that I left empty, I'm going to apply Copperized in a packing motion with brush number 13. Layering is key when building up metallic pearlized pigments, so take your time and check your symmetry. Because I'm moving this color from my lash line up into my crease, I want to make sure that the line of light that I'm creating is even on both eyes. Going back in with my blending brush and the color Throwing Shade, I'm just going to make sure that Copperized blends nicely into the matte shadow. Now I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye with Guilt Trip. Because this look has somewhat of a halo effect, I don't want to take away from the center of my lid. So I'm going to lightly place this shade right on my inner corner in a packing motion. And I'm still using brush number 13. To define my upper lash line, I'm going to tightline with Kat Von D's Lash Liner Liquid Inner Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It looks intimidating, but it's really easy to apply. You can either stamp or wiggle it onto the lash line. I like to do a little bit of both. The easiest way for me to apply it is by looking down into a mirror and just stamping it into my lash line and then going back through with the wiggling motion. My eyes like to get itchy or teary throughout the day. This liner does not budge on me, top or bottom. Moving on to my bottom lash line, I'm using Makeup Forever's Artist Color Pencil, Eye, Lip, and Brow Pencil in shade 612, Dimension Dark Brown. I'm just going to take this right into my bottom lash line. Using brush number 11, I'm going back into Throwing Shade to smoke out my lower lash line. I want this look to be really warm, so I'm pulling the color down a little lower than usual. To give my lid a little more pop, I'm going to use my ring finger to press in Shiseido's Aura Dew Face Eyes Lip in the color Solar. I'm going to place this color right on top of Copperized, and I'm slowly going to pat it up into my crease. To finish off this warm winter eye look, I'm going to use Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara to pump up my lashes. And I am applying this mascara to my top and bottom lashes. No look is complete without a lip. I'm applying Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in Unveil. So I'll start in the middle and kind of drag the color down. I'll usually do a couple of pressing motions to move the color around as well. So this lip color has a really interesting applicator. The shape of it, you can flip over and actually use it to line your lip, which I do a lot when using these liquid lipsticks. I love this color so much. It reminds me of fall and winter. It's just the perfect everyday brown. On top of the Fluid Lip Color by Fenty, I'm going to apply Sephora Collection's Melting Lip Clicks in Creme Brulee just to bring a soft gloss to my lip to match the sheen that's on my eye. These lip clicks are amazing. They're super hydrating. They give your lips just enough pop of color to wear by itself or on top of another lip. That's a wrap, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this warm winter eye look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.